Bluetooth technology is a short-range wireless communication protocol used for connecting devices. It allows devices to communicate wirelessly over a short distance, typically up to 10 meters, without the need for cables. In 1994, Ericsson initiated the Bluetooth project to replace the RS-232 cables. In 1998, the Bluetooth Special Interest Group, also known as SIG, was formed by Ericsson, Intel, Nokia, IBM, and Toshiba. In 1999, the Bluetooth version 1.0 specification was released. In 2004, Bluetooth version 2.0 introduced enhanced data rate, often called EDR. Bluetooth was named after the 10th-century Danish king Harald Bluetooth Gormson, who united Danish tribes into a single kingdom, similar to how Bluetooth unites communication protocols. Bluetooth operates using radio frequencies. It operates in the 2.4 GHz ISM band, specifically in the range of 2.402 to 2.480 GHz. It employs frequency hopping spread spectrum technology, referred to as FHSS, to reduce interference. The typical range for Bluetooth devices is about 10 meters, known as Class 2, but can extend up to 100 meters, known as Class 1, depending on the power class. The Bluetooth version 4.0, also called as LE, was released in 2010. It introduced Bluetooth Low Energy, designed for Internet of Things applications, significantly reducing power consumption. The data rate for version 4.0 is 1 megabit per second. Bluetooth version 5.0 was released in 2016. It provides 4 times the range increase over version 4.0, 2 times speed improvement, and 8 times the broadcasting message capacity. The data rate for version 5.0 is 2 megabits per second. Bluetooth version 5.3 was released in 2021. It includes enhanced connection subrating, improved security features, and periodic advertising enhancement. The data rate is up to 50 megabits per second with LE audio. The Bluetooth protocol stack is divided into several layers. At the top is the application layer, which includes profiles such as Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, Hands-Free Profile, and Generic Attribute Profile. The next layer is the middleware layer, consisting of Logical Link Control and Adaptation Protocol and Service Discovery Protocol. Following this is the host controller layer, featuring the host controller interface. Below that is the link layer with baseband or link controller and link manager protocol. At the bottom is the physical layer, which uses radio operating at 2.4 GHz. The Bluetooth protocol stack is divided into hardware and software components. The lower layers, physical and link, are typically implemented in hardware, while the upper layers are implemented in software. Bluetooth has many applications, including audio streaming, which enables wireless headphones, earbuds, speakers, and car audio systems using Advanced Audio Distribution Profile. Human interface devices such as keyboards, mice, game controllers, and remote controls use the HID profile. Bluetooth facilitates file transfer between devices using Object Exchange Protocol. It is widely used in IoT and smart home devices, such as smart locks, lighting systems, thermostats, and sensors using Bluetooth Low Energy. Healthcare utilizes Bluetooth for medical devices, fitness trackers, and heart rate monitors using health device profiles. Security and proximity applications include keyless entry systems, proximity marketing, and asset tracking. Bluetooth includes several security features. Pairing is the process of establishing a trusted relationship between devices. Authentication verifies the identity of connecting devices. ESCCM encryption is used for data protection. Frequency hopping reduces the risk of eavesdropping and interference. However, there are known vulnerabilities. Blueborn allows attackers to take control of devices without pairing. Knobattack forces devices to use weak encryption keys. Bluebugging allows unauthorized access to phone features. Bluejacking involves sending unsolicited messages to Bluetooth devices. For security best practices, turn off Bluetooth when not in use, Keep devices updated with the latest firmware and security patches, and only pair devices in private, secure locations. Future trends in Bluetooth technology include Bluetooth LE Audio, which features a new audio codec called LC3 that improves sound quality while using less power. It enables multi-stream audio for connecting to multiple devices simultaneously and broadcast audio sharing. Direction finding enhances location services with centimeter-level accuracy using angle of arrival and angle of departure methods, enabling precise indoor positioning and asset tracking applications. Mesh networking enables many-to-many device communication, allowing hundreds of devices to connect in a network that can cover entire buildings, which is ideal for smart lighting, home automation, and industrial IoT applications. Future Bluetooth versions aim to increase data throughput beyond current limits while maintaining low power consumption. This will enable new applications in augmented reality and virtual reality, high-quality media streaming, and faster file transfers. Bluetooth continues to evolve as a critical wireless technology for personal area networks, with ongoing improvements in power efficiency, range, security, and functionality. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.